Hi, this is Sarah from Align with Sarah. Today we're going to do a little bit of work to help calm the heart, calm the mind, and balance the systems. I hear a lot from clients about issues with sensitivity to anxiety, sensitivity to stress that shows up in the body in other ways, including anxiety. Um, and things like high blood pressure. This list can go on and on. So, of course, this is not medical advice, but this is a nice, gentle practice to help connect to the body, to the mind, and we're going to say the spirit, and come back to self and step away from the stress. So to start, we're going to find a comfortable place. I'm going to sit here on my chair. I'm going to lean back a little bit so I have some support. I'm going to be aware of what my shoulders are doing. I'm going to invite in some alignment to the spine. So my head is over my hips, my heart is in between. So head over heart, heart over hips. And I'm going to invite the opportunity to take a nice deep breath and settle in. Any last minute adjustments to finding ease in the body. And now I'm going to take my left hand and I'm going to place it over my heart. I like to have the palm of my hand right on the chest bone. Whatever feels good, whatever fits the best for you. My left hand is resting on my heart. And I'm going to take another deep breath. And I'm going to think about my heart. I'm going to think about my body. I'm going to take a moment and find a little bit more ease. Let my left arm rest and let go a little bit. Another deep breath in and out. So while we have our left hand resting on the heart, finding ease with that shoulder and with that arm, I'm taking my right hand. I'm taking the first two fingers of my right hand and I'm going to place them on my left hand where my pinky finger and my ring finger have some space. I'm going to follow them down onto the back of my hand. And there's a space that's going to be right between where those fingers come onto the hand. So you can see where I'm tracing my ring finger back, and there's a bony place. I'm tracing my pinky back, and there's a bony place. And I'm going to sink in between those. There should be a little bit of a divot there. And I'm going to invite in a couple more deep breaths. And I'm going to invite in the thought of holding these two fingers on the spot. If it feels good, taking the fingers and sliding them down the hand in that little groove while you're taking your couple deep breaths. And if this isn't really resonating, the last option that I'm going to offer is just a gentle tap. So, this area of the body on the hand is going to help balance the energy of anxiety. It's going to help recognize and let go of our reaction to stress. And when we let go of our reaction, it gives an opportunity to respond. And when we respond, there's usually a little more awareness. There's usually a vision of where we want to go. So I'm going to invite you to connect to those deep, cleansing breaths. Think about the body. What could be more comfortable? What could be easier? What could be more fun? Thinking of the body when we take a deep breath and when we fill our lungs with awareness, with intention or relaxation. That intention is filling our lungs, and that intention is literally hugging our heart. Our heart is tucked right up in there in between our lungs. When we have the intention of self-love, we bring that into our body in that nice, deep, beautiful inhale. That just surrounded our heart with that beautiful intention. Letting go, recognizing, noticing, listening, shifting. Let's take another deep breath. What do I notice? What feels different? What can feel better? How can I shift to create that? Let's take a deep breath. Noticing my body, noticing my thoughts, noticing what holds those two together, my spirit. When I'm listening to my spirit, when I'm noticing my spirit. The mind and the body have a support in a whole extra way. When I'm supporting my mind and noticing my spirit, my body has less to express to try to get my attention. I'm going to stop tapping. I'm going to hold both hands over my heart. I'm going to invite you to do the same. Both hands over the heart, finding ease in the shoulders. We're only going to be here for a few moments. Checking in with the head, checking in with the heart, checking in with the hips, head over heart, heart over hips. A deep breath to acknowledge all of that is connected. I'm noticing the mind. I'm noticing the spirit. I'm noticing my body. I'm going to lower my hands to my lap. I'm sitting. If you're laying down, you can lower them to wherever feels great, your abdomen, the floor, or beside you, wherever you're laying. Invite them to a different place of the body, the head, behind the neck. There should be a place that they naturally fall. So let's sit here for 1 minute. Let's count 6 breath cycles, and we will close our time together. So let's begin this last moment, this last minute together. I'm bringing my hands up to my third eye for a moment to offer this gratitude and love for your company, for our experience together, for that collective consciousness of all of us, whoever sees this video, when they see this video, bringing that little extra light to the world with opening yourself up to a little more of self and a little less of all the other stuff, of all the other stress. And um, I feel like when I unfold with this, and then someone unfolds with this later, or I come back to this and unfold, I feel like it's still building its own energy, creating a wave to go forward and invite healing to others. So please enjoy this. Please share this. Please come back to this. And please take some time to notice how you feel in your body, in your mind, and in all that stuff in between, your spirit, whatever you want to call it. Find a name for it and embrace it. Okay, thanks so much for being here. I will talk to you again real soon.